Hello guys, welcome back to Repair Bears Mastery Repair Part 1. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This is the first time we will play Repair Bears. Okay then, starting now. I like the song of this. Ooh, it's loading. Look, the bears. Okay.
Earthquake! Essential!
Oh no. Oh no.
What happened?
Oh
Where'd you
no.
go? Huh? Phew! We survived! Hey, do you hear that? Huh? What's going on?
Oh,
out
what's
there?
happening?
Could you put me down?
Oh, okay then. What is happening now? Okay then. It's still loading. This is taking a while. Alright, this is loading pretty while.
What? Huh? Ha!
We need a star to remove the crate. Let's go. Okay. Let's start now. Okay then. Okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this now. Okay, what do I need to do here?
Nice bear.
Okay then, we need to do this.
Nice bear.
I want to do this. Look, Sherpa is nothing now. It's nothing here. Wow. That's a lot of... We got a star! Now we got also money. Okay then. I never known we could get money from this. Okay, we are loading back. Okay, destroy crates. We're gonna destroy the crates.
Nice bear.
Okay then, I spare. You break the crates. Break them. What happened to the bears after this? What will happen to Grizzly Bear? Okay then. We've done that. Okay.
Nice bear.
Okay, wait. We need to do this puzzle first. Oh, that's how it works. Okay then. Okay, let's get another star. Let's start. there's a lot of boxes now.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yes, I know. Okay, let's do that.
Ho, ho, ho.
This burger. Okay, swap those. And then, do I do any more combos? I think I cannot. Okay, then. Oh my, this burger is good. Okay, the waffles is gonna target the burgers. Okay. Oh, it didn't explode. Okay then. We got another star and we got more money. Okay then. Okay. Let's finish that. Okay then. I want to already to design this house now. So they are leaving now. Okay, they leave. Finally leave there. Okay, let's find this. What can I get from this? A star will help. Okay then.
Huh?
Okay, we need to get all those stuff there. Lots of stuff. I could do two quests. I'll do something. Ooh, like that. Or fix the cave. I'll go for. Let's go for the grass. Let's go for the grass. Okay, let's go. Okay then. Let's not go for the grass. Oh, how can we break those? The boomerang. The waffles will break those. Yes.
Ho, ho, ho.
Okay then. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. Okay then. Oh, that will do nothing, so that's fine. That's fine. We can break these boxes. Oh, ooh. Okay, let's go for that one. Let's go for that. And where's the best spot to trick? Let's get that first. Okay, now the waffle. Oh, so we're done. Okay then. Okay, let's fix the cave. Let's fix the cave. Let's.
Wow.
Let's fix the cave. Oh my. So I need to put these two down over there. Okay. Yeah, I would do for now. Okay. This is, yeah, we can do that. We need to do some more. Oh, this works. Yay! Follow them in. What's that? Still going. Okay. Oh, I guess it's gonna explode. Oh, that is lag. That is laggy. Oh, a butterfly? Oh my. That's a lot. Another star. We go for the cave or the grass. Okay. We're gonna fix the cave only. Fixing the cave and the grass. Those. Okay, first we need. Okay, let's not do that yet. Let's go for the level 5. After this, we're gonna be level 6. Okay. Ooh. This is wait, I already got the 2. Did it work? No. Yep, it worked. Okay. We got 3 of them. Ooh, that's a lot of tacos. And a butterfly also. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep safe out there, guys. Peace out.